Hello guys, good morning. This is your guy Crypto Ambassador, and on this video I want to quickly show you how to insert your bills for the bills laundering round 6. The round 5 has ended, and today being 11th of October, the round 6 is starting. So whatever bill you've accumulated over time, it is time to insert them and to get ready for the laundering. All right, so this is my mnemonics. All right, so let me claim the ones I've hacked already before we proceed. If you don't know how to go about this hacking of a thing, this is it. You can see I have 3 computers working for me. I bought 2 with bills. So if you are new, you'll be given 1 for free. So I'm using 3 of them. You can see this one that is written done. So once I click open, this is what I get from it. I will claim. That's how to get your bills. Confirm. Then the next hacking will be, I will use this auto select word, click on it, then use this particular one, 6x fast at under 10 minutes, then home, go home. That is it. So it has started hacking for the next round. All right, so let's go to the main video while we are here. Let me take you through to the main video where we are here. So you can see here airdrop bills laundering round 6. Then you click on it, it will not take you to the place. All right, see, this is it. You have 4 days to insert the bills you want to launder. All right, you have 4 days to insert the bills. All right, here the capacity is 200 and at least 10,000 bills. All right, so but I will be increasing my capacity to 1 million. That is upgrade. I will upgrade to level 5, which is the highest level, so that I will be able to insert up to 1 million. As you can see, I have above 3 million bills to launder. So but the maximum is, you can see the maximum is 1 million. That's the maximum I can insert for now. All right, so this is it. Let's say I click on max, this is the 1 million. That's the maximum I can insert. All right, so let me go back and declare my final bonus from here. Okay, so let's go back to the laundering. Now this is it. Let me click on max. If you have below that, you just click on max to insert what you have. So I'll click on insert. You can see it. I can no longer insert insert any other bills till the next round if there will be round 6. So this is how to do the inserting. All right, so after 4 days, 20 hours, that's, let's say, 5 days from now, the laundering will start. You will no longer have the opportunity to insert. This stuff will close and the laundering will start. Laundering is just like a way of converting these bills into the main coin of this particular project, which is known as Nemo. You can see the ones I have here, Nemo. This is the ones I got from the ranking and the giveaway and the laundering. So these are accumulated Nemo I have. So you look at the rounds. Look at the rounds, the upcoming rounds, round 7, 8. All right, so now we are at round 6. This is the one currently going on. At the end of this one, we'll have this and this, if it will eventually come, because they say they might stop at a point. All right, so that is how to go about it. And please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to do so. All right, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any challenges, join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. All right, thank you guys, and peace out.